So yo, what's up guys? Maglalaro tayo ngayon ng tinatawag nilang
Morphite is rare.
Morphite.
Extremely rare.
Okay.
My parents used to talk about it.
So what's up mga ka-NC nga pala, hindi ako nakapag-intro na mas. Okay.
That is one of the only memories I have of them.
Okay.
I've never seen any in real life, only in pictures and holograms.
Nice.
One day I want to find some and start my own colony away from this old station.
Okay.
I keep things interesting by reading and training.
Oh.
Mr. Mason gives me small jobs here and there so I can pay my rent. He raised me and he taught me how to fly a ship. He's getting older though.
Mira, it's time for some combat training.
Okay.
Combat training.
Combat
Is
training.
really necessary.
It is if you want to live.
That's a good enough reason.
Kit Kat is here and he will guide you through it. Listen carefully and follow his lead.
Roger that.
Okay.
Move your left thumb on the screen to move around. Move your right thumb to aim.
Okay, teka. Ay sila natin yung ating settings. Sa controls lang. Good naman na tayo sa ano eh. Ayan. So, reset buttons. Good na ba yun? Reset buttons. Okay. Good na tayo siguro. Okay, resume. Okay. Good na siguro. So, by the way, maganda yung kwento niya, no? Maganda yung kwento niya. So, nagustuhan ko. So, maganda yung graphics din. So, teka. So, nagkaka-struggle lang tayo sa controls. So, ayusin ko muna yung controls. So, my goodness. So, syempre, dyan ang space. Kasi jump ata. Tapos dito yung gunner. So, tanggalin mo yung C. Tsaka yung kung ano yan dyan. Ayun sila sa gitna. So, siguro yun na lang natin. Tapos, yung shop. So, probably say good na yan. So, V. Gawin natin yung V yan dyan. So, saving. Okay. Resume. So, may map tayo. So, dito na lang natin ilagay yung camera natin. So, okay. Space na ang dyan natin. So, boom! So, lagyan natin yan dyan para hindi sa kaba dyan.
You've got company. Tap on the robo sliders to target them. Then shoot.
Nice. So, may map pala tayo doon.
Now use the jump button to get up these platforms.
Okay.
Looks easy enough.
There's a teleporter on the last one to get you to the top.
Neat.
Nag-struggle tayo sa paggalaw. Ano ba? Pero nice pa rin. Good pa rin tayo dyan. Oh my goodness talaga. Ang ating controls. Move sensitivity. Ano ba ang gusto mong sabihin? Good naman tayo sa graphics. Wala naman na tayong pwedeng gawin dyan. Ba yan?
Mira, change of plans. I have a gift for you.
What is it?
It's a scanner. I think you are ready to take the next step in your training.
Wow! Sakay tayo sa ship ngayon.
May I ask, what is the purpose of this mission, Mr. Mason?
Bioscans. We need to sell them in order to purchase supplies for the shop. We're running quite low, I'm afraid.
Fantastic! I'm so ready for this.
I packed a
Good,
pistol
good.
for you, just to be on the safe side. I'm also sending Kit Kat down with you to help with the logistics.
Oh boy.
You won't regret this, Mr. Mason. I should be back in time for dinner.
Locate the planet Avon on your star map in the Liquimi system. It's highlighted in green. Once you land, Kit Kat will help you out with the scans.
Okay.
Good luck.
Thank you, Mr. Mason. So, that is it. So, flight mode. Flight mode. Oh. So, kulay color green siya. Color green planet. Color green planet siya. Planet Eben. Lakas ng volume. Sorry guys, naputol tayo. So, nagkakaroon lang tayo ng kuwan. Paano tayo mag-locate dito? Minsan nakakabalat din. Minsan.
Your ship does not have enough fuel to reach this star system.
Okay.
You can travel to the local space station to refuel. Your fuel also slowly recharges over time. Some systems are simply too far away. Warp to closer stars to make it to your destination.
So our weapon is this. Oh my god, 36/50 na lang ang pistols na. So mission natin is to Eben. So we're going to Eben. Star map. We're going to Eben. Flight mode. Yun pala eh. Planet Even. Okay.